Good evening, everyone. This is Sigrid from Bible Factors. So, firstly, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude for the invitation, which gave us the company the opportunity to meet you guys online. So, for today's sharing, we will mainly revolve around these 4 topics. And if you have any questions, please feel free to interrupt me. So firstly, about us, the brief introduction. Bible Factors is a global molecular diagnostic provider committed to advancing the healthcare through precision and innovation. So founded in 2010 and headquarters in China Medical City, Bible Factors has grown into a trusted name across over 100 countries. With a focus on infectious disease and women's and children's health, we integrated research and development, manufacturing, and service into a seamless vertical chain, from the core raw materials to diagnostic solutions. So during the development, Bible Factors attaches great importance to the research and development investment. So this investment exceeds over 20% of the sales revenue. So with our whole efforts, our portfolio spans over 700 products, obtaining over 100 registration certification, over 500 international market access, and all of this reflects our commitment to the quality. And also, as our daily production capacity can up to 5 million tests for real-time PCR and rapid tests respectively. So through the strategic planning, the company has developed more technology platforms, such as the real-time PCR, point-of-care testing, digital PCR, the NGS, the raw material, and today we will focus on the real-time PCR part. As Bible Factors is a total PCR diagnostic solution provider, I believe almost everyone is familiar with the steps of nucleic acid testing, from sampling, sample processing, to nucleic acid extraction, amplification, and finally interpretation of results. The entire testing process requires at least 3 rooms, requiring different systems and reagents. So for Bible Factors, we could provide all and support the extracting purified nucleic acid from manually and automatically some operations from samples. So providing the laboratories with economic convenience. So covering extraction, amplification, and analysis process, Bible Factors' total PCR solution will convince the laboratories with reassuring final PCR results with the verified performance of instruments and reagents, and also could help the doctors to make accurate clinical decisions for the patients. So aiming at the global disease prevention and control, we developed more than 700 products to help prevent and detect virus disease focused on infectious disease and women's and health disease. When applying the nucleic acid detection solution, nucleic acid extraction is one of the key steps. So without sufficient extraction and purification, contaminants coexisting with nucleic acid often inhibit enzymatic amplification, causing the poor reproducibility and sensitivity. So numerous achievements in nucleic acid sampling have led to improvements in extraction and the reduction of analysis times. So perhaps the most notable is the push towards automation to facilitate more efficient testing. So efficiency starts with the extraction. Our solutions, our nucleic acid detection solution, offers the adaptable systems for labs of all sizes. As our slogan mentioned, one solution, one supplier, one response. As a one-stop solution provider for the whole operations of PCR procedure, we have different throughput instruments to satisfy various testing scenarios. Like for hospitals or clinics with different sample size, the solutions they need are different. So after the large-scale epidemic, many laboratories and hospitals received a very limited number of samples. So in this case, we would recommend this one, the most popular nucleic acid extraction system, SSMP 2000B, the IF Design Award winner in 2022. So perfect for the clinics or small labs. Produced by biofactors, it integrates the new technologies such as machine electricity and computer software to enable the automatic extraction of 32 samples maximum in one time. So matched with various nucleic acid extraction kits, the high-quality, very low wire nucleic acids are extracted and purified from like serum, plasma, urine, viral culture, and other samples through the magnetic beads and buffer system. So the purified nucleic acid can be used in like the routine scientific research, the genomics, disease control, food safety, and other scenarios. As an important part of our extraction family, for automatic nucleic acid extractor, we have three models with 32, 64, and 96 throughputs, which allows our customers to have more flexible choices based on their own throughputs of samples. So with its small size and lightweight, it not only saves testing time for the laboratories, but also saving the lab spaces. So all these models are equipped with HEP feature independent air pass in which the biologic filter cotton can absorb the nucleic acid aerosol. So for scenarios with a large number of samples, it's also necessary to be able to extract and test the 96 samples at the same time. So this SSMP-A6 instrument can meet this requirement. So equipped with the automatic detection of deep hair flates and magnet road cells, this system can extract 1 to 96 samples in less than 1 hour simultaneously to meet the requirement for high throughput. And all the operations for the SSMP systems is very simple. Only 4 steps. Power on, add the sample place, and then select the program and wait for the purified nucleic acid. That's all. But as we find during the PCR procedure, the purified nucleic acid, the suitable PCR reaction liquid, and the perfect amplification steps are all critical to the final results. So thus, a complete procedure for the PCR will cost lots of human labor. So meanwhile, reliable PCR results will require a wealth of experience of the operators. So for some laboratories with higher automation requirements, the SAW workstation will help transfer like the sample loading, nucleic acid purification, PCR setup, these manual steps into automated operations, so reducing the human resource. It will help the laboratories release almost half of the human labor in the first and second room and establish the standardized operation for the PCR setup and extraction. The only step is to put the sample in, and take the PCR setup out and put into the PCR system. Wait for about 90 minutes. The result will automatically show in the software. So the entire process from loading sample, extraction to dispensing can be monitored in real time. Display the usage of the consumables in real time. So easy to use software and automated machines will allow the rapid preparation of various PCR reagents with the help of preset programs, realizing the walk-away procedure. So here this is the inside structure of SAW48. It has the four systems: the extraction system, temperature control system, pipetting system, and anti-contamination control. So from the barcode reader built in the SAW series, it could automatically collect the information from labs while loading samples on the instrument. Change the color in the software stands for successful operation. So no need to worry missing data. It will significantly save the valuable time for the operators. Then, preset pipetting protocols would satisfy the requirements of the PCR setup operations, including preparing the master mix, dispensing the master mix, and adding the nucleic acid. When we realize these operations automatically, it will surprise us with highly standard processes. Then is the precious temperature control function to ensure the optimal reaction temperature during the purification. The PCR reagent station is designed to avoid light. With the automatic refrigerate at 4 to 15 temperature. The PCR setup station is constructed at a low temperature of 4 to 8, which effectively inhibits the amplification reaction. And then, for such workstation, the anti-contamination capacity is crucial. So the SAW series anti-contamination achieves anti-contamination by carrying out the design before, during, and after the experiment through scientific zoning, the scientific pipetting pass with the filter pipetide tubes, the UV light HEP features, and the leak-proof control. So, based on the experienced magnetic spiration technology, the SAW workstation provides the high throughput automation combined with the high performance, while increasing the laboratory's productivity to meet the changing needs. So with non-contact dispensing of samples, it will be safe and simple for the operators and meanwhile save time and money for the laboratory. So for the labs prioritizing the automation, the SAW integrates the extraction and PCR setup into one work-away platform. So with the pre-programmed protocols, it processes 48 or 96 samples in 45 to 70 minutes, minimizing the human error and maximizing the throughput. Its anti-contamination design, the UV lights, the electron filter, the leak-proof pipetting sets a new standard for safety. And besides, manufacturers could offer the various pipetting protocols for different PCR reagents. So thus, this instrument could be a flexible choice for all PCR kits, reducing the manual operation and providing the automatic PCR setup for like sexual transmitted disease, respiratory disease, vector-borne zoonotic disease, and also with other solutions with the customized operation. So, combined with the systems, biofactors could offer the comprehensive kits. The extraction kits use the magnetic beads and buffer systems, used in conjunction with the nucleic acid extractor to purify the viral nucleic acid. So these magnetic beads have a high affinity to the nucleic acid in our optimized buffers and then release the seed salt nucleic acid in the elution buffer. So our extraction kit can extract the DNA or the RNA from many sample types, including like the whole blood, the plasma, urine, FFNP, the tissue, the bacteria, and almost all the sample types. So all of the extraction kits can be easily transported and stored at the room temperature. In order to better match the customer needs and test the quantity, we have designed the different specifications of the different size of the extraction reagents to optimize the customer costs and achieve the best cost performance. So here, I wonder if you have noticed that our extraction reagents are all pre-packaged. So pre-packaged kits significantly improve the efficiency and the reliability of nucleic acid extraction through the standardized packaging, automation capability, and simplified the process design, while reducing the contamination risk and experimental costs. So the operating procedures of the instruments are combined with the setting with the kit. So here, showed in the picture, for the column 1, it's used for add samples, and it's the lysis binding solution. From the column 2 to column 4, it contains the washing liquid. And for the column 5, it's the magnetic bead. And for the for the 6th column, it's the eluted liquid. So for the steps, it has detailed described in the slides. I would not like to repeat them one more. And for the pre-packed strip package, it's very similar. As we know, for some laboratories, maybe sometimes only 1, 2, 3, 4 samples for every day. So this strip package is very a good choice for them. So it sets to decrease the manual operations and better achieve the transition to the automation for the sample size laboratories. Here is the list for all the extraction kits, covering almost all types of the samplings, and the kits are all CE-IVDR certificates, and also FDA listed. So, in summary, biofactors stands out from the for the nucleic acid extraction solution from the following aspects. So first of all, we are the original manufacturer of all our extractor and kits. For all extractor are closed system, so which means only our extraction kit can be applied on them in the labs. So which we believe will protect our business partners' benefits during the cases. So in addition, we offer our customers the 3 different choices to help meet the different requirements of the different throughputs. And then, with our automatic extractor and matching reagents, the extraction procedure takes only about 15 to 20 minutes for the SNMP systems. and and only 55 minutes for the SAW series for the solution. So it will help customized for the laboratories and help reduce the costs. So with all the performance, our instruments is smaller, lighter, and stronger than other brand systems. Oh, sorry. Also, for all the keys and systems, we provide a 18 months warranty time for our customer, while and also which shows our strong commitment to the quality as well. For all the keys and the systems listed here, we have the CE-IVDR and FAD listed as the basic guarantee for our products. So, from the compact to full automation, Bioprofector's instruments serve more and more customers and the full solution for any size of the PCR laboratories. So whether you are the community clinic or main or the laboratories or the main hospitals, so our solutions can scale with your needs with the 18 months warranty and 24-hour for 7 days support. We ensure you stay ahead in the diagnostics. So besides the PCR, the advanced molecular detection integrates the traditional epidemiology with the next-gene sequencing and the bioinformatics to provide the detailed information on disease-causing organisms. So in addition to the real-time PCR testing, we would also like to introduce the company's current layout in NGS. So as we know, the PCR detection focuses more on the high sensitivity detection of the specific genes or the mutation sites, and is suitable for the rapid screening of the known targets. And the NGS supports the high throughput, the multi-gene parallel analysis, and is more suitable for like the in-depth diagnosis of complex diseases. So by deploying NGS, we can fill the gaps in PCR in high throughput, the unknown pathogen detection, and from a complete solution. Form a complete solution from the single point detection to panoramic analysis. So for the NGS workflow used, here we can see it contains many steps and is a little complex. While with the automated and standardized library preparation, it will guarantee the consistent library quality and eliminates the repetitive work, saving on cost and labor. The Bioprofector's SSP-GL01A automated NGS library prepare system is an integrated system that provides a flexible, fully automated solution to standardize the NGS library preparation. The easy-to-use system effectively reduces the turnaround time and free up the laboratory staff, minimizing the manual error and enhancing the efficiency. So this system supports the real-time visualization of operations in software and also customized protocol for the library preparation kits from mainstream manufacturers can be added by the user. With the 8-channel peptides, it can accommodate 1 to 32 DNA or RNA samples for automated library. And this system is capable of RNA reverse transcription, the enzymatic fragmentation, the PCR amplification, and the purification, either for the metagenomic, the EPCON, and hybrid capture library preparation workflows. So besides, the entire workflow of the instruments is automated and traceable. It means if any accident occurs, it can be reviewed at any time to find the cause. So, guided by the vision of our company to be one of the top global IVD supplier and driven by the mission of for a healthier future, Bioprofectors has been working hard. So from Brazil to Indonesia, and Bioprofectors take roots in China medical city and radiates to 5 continents and around the world, penetrated in over 100 countries and regions through the subsidiaries and our partners, satisfying a broader spectrum of medical institutions, CDCs, and independent like clinical laboratories. With the well-experienced service staff, the sufficient spare part inventory, and fast global logistics, Bioprofectors has built trust and established a good brand image all around the world. For example, we have cooperating with many world-leading partners. For example, during the monkeypox outbreak recently, our PCR kits and systems were deployed across Africa, validated by like WHO, the Global Fund. Bioprofectors addressed the training workshop on monkeypox diagnostic using real-time PCR technology held by the African CDC, Nigeria CDC, and the African Society for Laboratory Medicine. So this is not just the business, it's our mission to democratize the diagnostics. So we have stepped up to the plate in various epidemics and continued to develop the corresponding testing reagents. So by equipping the local labs with automated systems and training, we have strengthened the pandemic preparedness. For example, the Dr. Michel Sebi, the former United Under-Secretary General, praised our role in the safeguarding Africa's health. This is a statement to our global commitment. So, at Bioprofectors, we believe every life deserves timely, accurate care. So let's cooperate to turn this vision into reality. So visit our website or contact us to explore how we can empower your lab. So together we will embrace the world with health. So thank you for your time, and I welcome any question and look forward to partnering with you. Yeah, thank you.